Hello students, let us start competitive based questions that is from inorganic chemistry, classification of elements. Come on, let us start the first question. The ions O2 minus, F minus, Na plus, Mg2 plus and Al3 plus are isoelectronic species. Their ionic radii show an increase from O2 minus to F minus and then decrease from Na plus to Al3 plus. A decrease from O2 minus to Al3 plus. A significant increase from O2 minus to Al3 plus. A significant decrease from Al3 plus. First and foremost, as you see the question, you will come to know what do you mean that isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species is nothing. Atoms or ions are having a same number of electrons. Now, for example, Na plus F minus. Both are ions, right? Na plus and F minus, sodium ion and fluoride ion, both are having a same number of electron. This kind of species we can say isoelectronic species. Yes, now come to that point. They are asking this whether it will ionic radii will increase or decrease according to this point. Yes. Now, as you see this point, oxygen, fluorine, sodium, magnesium, and aluminium. Yes, in the periodic table, oxygen, fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminium. So, in the period, atomic number increases. As the atomic number increases, ionic radii will decrease, you know very well. So, here we can write it like this: O2 minus, F minus, Na plus, Mg2 plus and Al3 plus. So as that atomic number increases, atomic number what it is here 8, here 9, here 11, 12, 13. 10 it is neon, it is there only. Okay, so they did not mention here because it is a octet completely filled, right? Now come to this point. Here in this point, here atomic that here ionic radii decrease as the atomic number increases, as that atomic number increases. So which is the correct answer, do you think? Which is the correct answer? A significant decrease from aluminium Al3 plus. So D is the correct option. Yes, come on, let us go and start some other important questions related to this topic. Now, the second question, which of the following is not an actinide? See, generally, inorganic chemistry based on that informative point, neither memory based. So, you should be thorough that periodic table, east, west, north, south, like you should be thorough in each and every corner. Okay, now in this, which of the following is not an actinide? So, that means they are from some other, not from the actinide. So, curium is from actinide. Californium also is from actinide, and the uranium is also from actinide. You know very well. That means terbium is not. We are not finding that from actinide. We are getting from that lanthanide. So lanthanide. So which is not an octinide means it is terbium. Is that not finding in that actinide because it is a lanthanide series. Hope you're thorough for these and all. That's what I just mentioned. Inorganic chemistry, basically, it's for informative point, and the next one, logical way of thinking. Third one, memory based questions. The next question, Europium is S block, P block, D block, and F block. Europium, you know where is it? Europium? Europium, we can find it here in this point. Where is Europium? Europium is in lanthanide. Lanthanide, how come it will be possible for S block, P block, and D block? It is belongs to F block element, right? Lanthanide and actinide both are F block elements. No, you know very well. So I hope you got an answer. Option D is the correct option. The next question, the first ionization enthalpy of four consecutive elements present in the second period of the periodic table are 8.3, 11.3, 14.5, and 13.6 respectively. Which one of the following is the first ionization enthalpy of nitrogen? Definitely, first ionization of the nitrogen is actually maximum. Why? Actually, the answer will be 14.5. Why? Because nitrogen is having half-filled and stable electronic configuration. How? It is nitrogen 7 atomic number, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So here we can write like this way. So 1s2, 2s2, that is, and it is completely half filled and completely filled or more stable. You know very well, it is more stable. So more stable means naturally what it is, maximum. The first ionization enthalpy of nitrogen will be maximum. So the option will be B. The next question, it is really simple but tricky. Now you see, element with atomic number 56 belongs to which block? They have given the atomic number. Now we have to find out which block it might be. Okay, yes, P, D, F. See, 56, atomic number 56, you know where it is? Atomic number 56, it's a barium. Right, atomic number 56, it's a barium. So barium belongs to where? Which category? It is S block. Right, see, atomic number 56, barium. So it is S block. I hope you got a clear idea about this. So that's what I just mentioned. You have to be thorough the periodic table. The next tricky one, which of the following order is wrong? They have given that order. First one, option A, NH3 is lesser than pH3 is lesser than AsH3, it's acidic, and lithium, it's lesser than beryllium, it's lesser than boron, it's lesser than carbon. Ionization, first ionization enthalpy, and Al2O3 is lesser than MgO, it's lesser than Na2O, it's lesser than K2O, it's basic, and lithium plus is lesser than Na plus is lesser than K plus, it's lesser than CCM plus. Ionic radius. Okay, now as we are talking about its acidic and basic and ionic radius, actually everything which is correct only. Now the second option only, we feel something different. Here you see ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy, first ionization enthalpy. When we are talking about lithium, beryllium, boron. Actually, beryllium in that second period, right? So here in the second period, beryllium, it is actually more stable electronic configuration than that boron. So it has to be like that. Lithium, it's lesser than boron, it's lesser than beryllium, and it's lesser than carbon. So this is actually a first ionization enthalpy. I think this is the wrong answer as they mentioned which order is wrong. So B is the correct option. I hope you got a clear idea about it. So which option is wrong? B option is wrong. Other three are correct. Hope you got a clear idea. Come on, let us go for the next question. The next question, identify the correct order of the size of the following. As you look at this only, you will come to know isoelectronic species, you know very well. Actually, atoms or ions are having same number of electrons. That is what we have gone through the first question only. Okay, now here also the same answer only. What is it? Ionic radii decreases as the number of atomic number increases. So here as we see only, you will come to know the clarity. Ca2 plus, K plus, Ar, Cl minus, S2 minus. So in this way, now you will come to know in this period wise. So here sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. So as the atomic number increases, radius will be decreasing. So here in this sulfur, Cl, argon, potassium and calcium. So the option will be A. A is the correct option. I hope you got a clear idea. The main idea which is ionic radii, that radii decreases, atomic number increases. I hope you got a clear idea. Okay, come on, let us go for the next question. The next question, which of the following electronic configuration of an atom has the lowest ionization energy? See, this option they have given 1 is to 2 is to 2p3, 1 is to 2 is to 2p6, 3 is 1, 1 is to 2 is to 2p6, and 1 is to 2 is to 2p5. So this is completely half filled and completely filled. These two won't be, it is not possible. And only one electron it requires to complete the octet. So that means it actually required more ionization energy to remove the electrons. That means this also it's not possible. So our eyes will fall on option 2. Why? You know, it is atomic number 11, the famous. So it is ready to lose the electron. Why? It want to get the octet inert electronic configuration. So naturally it is ready to lose the electron. It is not ready require any energy to remove the electron. So the lowest ionization enthalpy will be option B, and the largest size. And one more thing, minimum effective nuclear charge. So naturally option B is the correct one. I hope you got a clear idea about this point. As you see this question, it is really easy but tricky. The electronic configuration of four elements are given below. Arrange the elements in the correct order of the magnitude without sign of their electron affinity. So as you see this only, option 1, that is A, B, C, D, they have given in that one 2 is to 2p5. So 1 is to they didn't mention, 2 is to 2p5. As you see that 2 is to 2p5, it is number 9, fluorine, atomic number fluorine. Yes. Now 3 is to 3p5, it is chlorine, 17 atomic number. And here 2 is to 2p4, oxygen, atomic number 8. And fluorine, yeah, fluorine already we have given. And 3 is to 3p4, it is sulfur, atomic number 16. So now we have to check the electron affinity, which is having more electron affinity according to the order. Sulfur is having more electron affinity than oxygen. So sulfur is having more electron affinity than oxygen. The same way, chlorine and fluorine. Chlorine is having more electron affinity than fluorine. Now we have to check this because we have to arrange the order. No, so these two already we have gone through. Now fluorine or oxygen, which is having more electron affinity? Of course, fluorine is having more electron affinity than oxygen. Now that means which is the correct option? 3, 4, 1 and 2. So option C will be the correct. I hope you got a clear idea about that electron affinity. Actually, it is a tricky. So as you see that you will feel somewhat, but it is really easy one if you know the trick. Hope you understand all these questions. In our next session, some more important and interesting questions. Let us watch. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon so that you will come to know all the informations. Thank you for watching.